The 2003 RM250. .8 is what I measured. I had to pull the radiators off. She's in there smooth. And got some fresh gaskets and nuts. Gonna see if it'll start for the first time. I kicked it a few times with my foot and it was too much compression, so I threw a boot on. I'm gonna choke it. Let me fiddle with it. One thing I did notice, I don't think this is right. And it's getting chewed up. I could hear it hitting when I was kicking it over. I've never taken this off, but I think it's in the wrong position. It's got a ton of compression. It's got spark. I'll make sure it's getting fuel and adjust this kickstart. Looks a bit better to me. Just gonna tighten this up. Okay, you just seen the last clip of it running. I adjusted the idle, it's running a lot better. In the old clip, it was running almost like it was surging. But I think I got it. I gotta get a new idle screw. The other one's stripped out because it's plastic. I adjusted it with vice grips, but I'm gonna call it a day. It's getting late. Sneak peek of the new project. Yeah, but that'll be next video.